The most important machine in the world is not in Silicon Valley. You've never seen it. And there is exactly one company on Earth that knows how to build it. Look at your phone. The chip inside it holds billions of transistors, each one thousands of times thinner than a human hair. Most people assume chips like that are made everywhere. America, China, Korea, Japan. A crowded, competitive industry. Here's the cold reality. Every advanced chip on the planet, every iPhone, every gaming PC, every AI data center, depends on one machine, from one company, in one small Dutch town. The machine is called an EUV lithography system. It prints the circuits, and ASML is the only company on Earth that can build it. Not the best company, the only one. Intel can't make chips without it. Samsung can't. Neither can Taiwan's TSMC. They all stand in the same line. A single machine costs around $250 million. Last year, ASML shipped 44 of them. That's it. The world's entire supply of new chip-making capability. 44 machines. And what a machine it is. 180 tons. More than 100,000 parts. To deliver one, you need 40 containers, 20 trucks, and 3 Boeing 747s. Inside, it does something that sounds like science fiction. It fires a laser at falling droplets of molten tin, tens of thousands of times every second. Each hit explodes into plasma hotter than the surface of the sun. That explosion makes a kind of light so extreme, ordinary air absorbs it. So the machine works in a vacuum, steering the light with mirrors. Those mirrors are the smoothest objects humans have ever made. If one were scaled up to the size of a country, its largest imperfection would be about a millimeter tall. This is why nobody else builds these machines. It's not a secret recipe. It's 40 years and billions of dollars of physics that can't be copied quickly by anyone. And it's getting more extreme. The newest generation costs about $400 million. It weighs 165 tons. Moving one takes 7 jumbo jets. How many exist? 5. On the entire planet, 5 have ever shipped. Now for the geography. More than half of all EUV machines on Earth operate in one place, Taiwan. The majority of the world's most advanced chips come from that one island, an island at the center of one of the tensest borders on the planet. So follow the chain. Your phone needs a chip. The chip needs a machine. The machine comes from one company, and most of them work on one island. There is no plan B, no second supplier, no stockpile that lasts. If Veldhoven stopped shipping tomorrow, the world's chip clock would simply stop advancing. Governments know it. That's why one Dutch company you've never thought about has become one of the most protected and most fought over companies on Earth. Your phone wasn't just made in a factory. That's firstedaags, iets as degrade hier a homen consisties, to lately he tijntjes your heil, ervive a moment your feigned. It was made possible by one machine, from one company, in one small town. And the whole world is standing in line for it. That's the cold reality.